In the dynamic realm of manufacturing, CNC vertical lathe machines play a crucial role, and the Nadun vtc75 emerges as a standout option, featuring advanced technology that transforms industrial machining. 1. Precision performance. The Nadun vtc75 utilizes cutting-edge CNC technology, ensuring exceptional precision. Its precise machining capabilities simplify the production of complex components, enhancing overall efficiency for both large-scale production and specialized machining applications. 2. Advanced features. Equipped with advanced features, the Nadun vtc75 distinguishes itself in its product category. The automated control system streamlines machining processes, reducing errors and boosting productivity. Advanced tool management and intelligent machining monitoring systems provide enhanced convenience and flexibility in production. 3. Cutting-edge technology. Incorporating cutting-edge cutting technology, the Nadun vtc75 improves cutting efficiency and tool life, reducing production costs and minimizing equipment downtime. This technological edge enhances the competitiveness of the Nadun vtc75 in the market. 4. Available for sale opportunity. The Nadun vtc75 high-precision CNC vertical lathe machine is currently available for a limited time sale to meet market demands. Purchasing this machine grants access to advanced manufacturing technology, increasing production efficiency, lowering costs, and empowering businesses to navigate market competition. In conclusion, the Nadun vtc75, with its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, presents new opportunities in industrial manufacturing. Seize this opportunity now to elevate production efficiency and ensure resilience amid intense market competition.